Well, morning everyone. Just looking to close out where we left off Saturday morning. Lots of fun and games, lots of action, and a bit of wildlife care here. So morning to a beautiful Saturday here in Melbourne in the Yarra Valley. Got a few of our friends here just finishing off their snack time. Plenty of acrobatics here as well, as usual. It is Saturday morning. Now, what a morning, Sarah. Hey, no name. I just didn't want to leave it the way we did with all our bird family. And these guys having fun and games. All is good, thank goodness. And yeah, a little bit of a story to share to close out. What's interesting is these guys have all hung on. Good morning. They all waited till they came back, which is pretty awesome. AMG. Just see if there's a couple more to join, and then yeah, I'll give you guys an update. Then we'll close out the morning. So, but appreciate it. Appreciate the care and the thoughts. Wow, these guys are going for it. And yeah, it must have been Friday the 13th carryover for sure. I don't think that branch is going to make it. 4 cockies on it and a scene stealer in front. Whew, just catching my breath. What a morning. And while I was gone, the cockies took all the baubles, the Christmas baubles. So they had some fun and games. There you go, MG. It must have been that. So I think you're spot on. Wow, we've still got plenty of hungry friends here. Hello. So guys, yeah, what a morning. So what's happened is that we've had a bird, a cockatoo here, just looked like they might have had an injured wing. So we've come out and done a cockatoo rescue, and we've taken the bird up to, that's right, we've taken the bird up to our friends here who has cages for birds, and they've got an aviary. So we've put the bird under, you know, kept it wrapped up. It's got food and water, and we'll just keep an eye on it, and then we'll sort out through wildlife rescue or the vet how to help them out. So we just couldn't leave a bird in the park, yeah, with a potential damaged wing or other challenges. So it was cockatoo rescue time. Yeah, thanks, MG. You never know with these guys. And I think we got half the neighbourhood involved in it as well. Everybody come out to see what was going on. Yeah, bird rescue, that's it. Yeah, thanks, MG. We just had to make sure it was captured in a safe way and it felt safe, and yeah, then do the right thing. But yeah, the way it played out, I thought one had passed away, so it was pretty hectic for a little while. But yeah, got it all sorted, and we'll keep an eye on them in the next couple of days. So yeah, Rob, so we just did a cockatoo rescue, so yeah, all good in the hood at the moment, so we've got them safe and sound now. So thanks for asking, Rob, appreciate it, and everyone, so. Yeah, BC, it was looking that way, so I'll give you guys updates on the animal rescue, but yeah, they're safe at the moment, and hello. All our cockatoo friends waited patiently for us here. I think that's pretty interesting, actually. They normally would have been gone by now. There you go. So, yeah, all good in the hood. Yeah, that's it. So thanks, everyone, for the concern. I really appreciate it. It's good to know we've got friends on both sides of the globe. Yeah, cheers, Rob. Appreciate it. Yeah, it was good. One of the neighbours, sorry, one of the neighbours brought out a towel so we could wrap it up. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Someone's having too much fun over here. Hello. Hmm. Just hear little noises sometimes. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, and where I've left the bird to recuperate in a really big cage, up high. It's got a really safe spot. It's really large, so it's good for them to just take some time, and we'll just assess how they are. They've got food and water, and said blankets and places to perch and that sort of stuff. But it's at a house that has a one-legged galah. So a one-legged galah is there, and they're pretty amazing. It's 23 years old. Oh, not galah, sorry. It's a long-billed corella. So they have, yeah, a 23-year-old long-billed corella with one leg because it had cancer in the leg. And that's in a big aviary in the backyard, so. So it's been a, yeah, action-packed morning, guys. So all of our friends came by here, and all of you guys being on, appreciate it. Sharing Saturday morning. And all our friends here waited for us to come back. Yeah, so pretty awesome how a neighbour let us know, and then another neighbour brought a towel out, and then other guys come over to see how they could help. So it was pretty awesome. Yeah, that's a good good tip there, Rob. I think after today I will be. Tell you what, these guys are all action today. Look, that's next level grooming. Look at the wing out. Pretty amazing. We're playing over here now, as you do. And I said all the Christmas baubles have all gone down the street now. They've all had to play with those. They're gone. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Thanks, MG. Plenty of guys still here. Look. Hello. Hi. The king parrots are calling us now from the next tree. Look at these guys all lined up. Hello. Come on, this way. They're talking to us now. I think we've got time for one more snack run and then we'll crack on with the day. But guys, thanks for hanging in. Thanks for hanging on. Appreciate you letting me update the story and what happened this morning. And yeah, I'll give you guys some updates. Pity I couldn't take you with me, but it was all action before. Yeah, spot on, Mel. That's it, MG. Look at that, one of our berry boys. Come on. Yeah, this way, fellas. It must be Saturday morning. Someone's got a chainsaw out already. There you go. You too. There you are. Like all the kids are lined up. Right, guys, this way. Come on. Hey, enough of that. Come on. There you are. Yep. There you are. There's yours. This way. Come on. Geez, I only just stuck the landing there. Hey, Anna. Look, full house at the restaurant here. Awesome emojis there, BC. Good on you. Yeah, definitely will, Rob. Cheers. I'm sure if they get the care they need, they're going to pull through. Well, you guys can see it's going to be a cracking day today. We're going for 20, I think 26 today, 28. 34 tomorrow, and Monday is going to be 40, so she's warming up around here. Look at these two. Bit of karate. Bit of showing off. stuck the landing, but wow, that was loud. There's a lot of weight there. I can, Mel. We've got plenty to share. But yeah, 40 anytime is warm. We normally get that in January, not in December. So we'll see how we go this year. Got some friends down here. Look how hard they work. Oh, they turn themselves inside out to have a go on the feeder. Whoa. Got a little miner swooping there. Giving us all the looks. Yeah, pretty amazing. The acrobatics are incredible. Oh, good morning. Someone's been dancing here next to us. Hello. Wow, pretty agile. That's right. Yeah, spot on, Anna. We've got plenty of quizzes to come. We were going to do a quiz today, but we'll hang it over for tomorrow. See if we can reach our goal and knock it out. Guys, you can see it's a cracking day today. Not a cloud in the sky. You can see the beautiful eyes on our friend here. Look at that. How can you resist a face like that? Cheers, Rob. Hello. It's got a little bit of seed on their beak. I'd love to help them out, but I'd lose a finger. Hello. Very hard to resist a face like that. All right, I think we'll sneak in one more run for these guys. That look is just too much charm for me. Oh, is that right? And look, and here's Duncan having a kip already. Look, so sleepy. It's been a big morning for these guys as well. There you go. All right, one more run, guys. Thanks for hanging on. Really appreciate it. Ah. No, Rob, I don't know either. So I'll have a look and see where if you've left your email for me or in a chat, and we'll work things out. Hey guys, here we go. Come on. There we go. Good girl. Come on. Yep. Beautiful crest. Hello. Okay, yeah, I don't know much about that, Rob, so happy to learn. Hello, you're back again. Here you go. Aren't you good, hey? There you are. There's Barry singing to us next door. Hi. There we go. We've got a couple left. That's it, MG. I'll tell you what though, these guys look they look pretty awesome on a sunny day. That white really glows. I don't know if you can hear they're having a cracking good time today. Hello. And they're not too camera shy these days. Hi. Look how curious they are. They're amazing. Hello. No, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it on the chat. Well, yeah, he is, Mel. Look, just a real cutie. Look, just, just doing a bit of mimicking then. Hey, 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 cheeky. Look, he's down here. There you go. Hey, hey, come on. This way. This way. I'll tell you what, these guys have had a really good run today. There you go. You too. There you go. Hey, can't fit, look, karate. Can't fit 3 in the kitchen there. Come on. Right. Yep, come on, this way. No, no, let us share. Come on. There you go. Oh, what a cutie. Look at that. All right, here you go. You too. Hey, guys, share. Here we go. Aren't you cute? Oh, guys, come on. Fellas, come on. Definitely needed a crash helmet then. All right, guys, here you go. One last chance for a cockatoo picnic. There you go, a bit of a cockatoo picnic, cockatoo dancing. Yeah, cheers, BC. There you go, I think the chainsawing is going next level. Hey, Sydney. Yeah, the Christmas baubles, they're all gone. Yeah, top tips there. Mel, spot on. Gigi, great to have you on and welcome. We're at the back end of the morning here, so we've just, because our friends have all hung on today here, our cocky friends, we've given them the last part of the seed, so another reason to go shopping this morning. Look, someone's just hanging on, look. They've turned on all the charm today. Hey, Laurel. What a charmer, hey? Just holding on, it's like, this is mine. Good on you, Rob, thanks. Hey, Dave. Oh, listen to that. You can hear the miners going crazy. BC, I hope you're not up too late. Look, someone's down here, look, chasing me. Look. Hello. Good morning. Ow. Hey. Tap me on the foot. They're like, come on. Well, there's no seed left, guys. I have to go back to the shop. Well, someone means business over there. Yeah, they're turning on all the charm today. Oh, someone's got a bit of fluff stuck on them. Gave us a wink then. Oh, that's right. Wow, what a beautiful strong beak. Good on you, MG. Yeah, guys, you're welcome to share your birthdays, and we'll give you plenty of shout outs here. Now, my birthday is actually near BC's birthday, so we're pretty similar. So thank you. My little friend's having a bit of a nap on the end here. So this is our friend Duncan here. Always sits around the corner here. Flying can openers, yeah, they are. Ah, more mid-January, so thank you. Oh, we've got to have a play before the morning's out. When they reach up, they look like a chicken, I reckon. They get mesmerised. Watch your head. Yeah, look down here. Just take over the table, do a bit of grooming. Just right at home now. Yeah, wheelie bin, that's it. She needs a bell. Yeah, I agree. And look over here, look. Straight on the mop. I'd rather them chew the mop than the rail. Yeah, BC, huh? Nice work. Not long actually to your birthday. Oh, the 14th. Ah, and mine's on the 20th, so there you go. Great shares, guys. Happy to shout out your birthdays. We know they're not far away. Awesome. Yeah, that's a good question, No Name. We have black cockatoos that fly over. They've only come a couple of times because they only eat certain sort of, I don't know what you call them, pine kernels, pine nuts. But yeah, we have yellow-tailed black cockatoos that come over. There's about 7 in the flock. Oh, good on you, Anna. So we've got a few, okay, someone's asleep for a second there. A few January birthdays, awesome. Oh, Anna, yours is October, is it? You're welcome to put the date in if you feel comfortable. Oh, black cockatoos, they fly over every couple of days. And the black cockatoos live down here in this paddock, just there. They graze on the paddocks where the horses are. And they eat just one special, I don't know what you call it, it's off a pine tree, special pine tree. And there's one sort of, I don't know what you call it there, so pine cone that comes off it, and they get stuck into it. Oh, May 14th, cool. Thanks for sharing, guys. We're all part of the community here, so always happy to give shout outs on birthdays. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. But they're one of my favourite birds because of the calls they give. It's squeaky call. So guys, awesome to have you on today. Really appreciate it. We're in Melbourne, in Australia. I have to get the right Melbourne. We're in the Yarra Valley, outer east. It's Saturday morning here. Wow, it's nearly 10 a.m. So we've had a big morning. If you like what you're seeing, you're welcome to subscribe. Great to have you on chatting as well. Our aim is to have a positive YouTube channel where you can come and be yourself, hang out with these guys. You need a big drink after a busy morning. And yeah, I love all the chat. You guys actually kickstart my day as well, so thank you. Happy to share all our friends around. We've had some galahs coming recently. We've had the rainbow lorikeets, Lorien skeet. We've got all our regulars here at the moment. And we also have a membership here as well. So there's lots of ways to support the channel if that works for you. Check out what happens on the community tab. We're all lined up now. And we've got super chat, super thanks, all sorts of ways to support. And I really appreciate how everyone looks after each other. That's the number one thing here. You can come and be yourself. And big thanks to BC kicking things off today on a very busy morning. Hey, Hides. We've just come back to close out, give these guys the last big snacks of the day. All the seeds gone. I've got to go down the shop today, refill. We've had a big day in the berries, this guy. Look at this. What a cutie, huh? These guys are pretty settled now. All got social distancing going on. Hello. Some charmers out here, picking up a few rays. Sun's out, wings out. Oh, good on your Hides. You are awesome. And Sydney as well, MG. Yeah, that's a good question, MG. I think we don't know actually, but it could be any of those things. Look at that, turning on the charm. As I said, make it very hard to resist. Whoa, hello. It's your anniversary, is it, Sydney? Congrats and all the best. Love the emojis, Hides. Awesome. These guys are still having fun and games. And look, this miner is doing a Barry impersonation. They are pretty cool. Oh, look at this, eh? Oh, thanks. Oh, Laurel, good on you. Fantastic. Really appreciate the support. Thank you. You're awesome. All right, these guys are just checking in with their traffic control. There we go. Thunder. Oh, you got all the classics, yeah. Thunderbirds, go. That countdown was a classic. There we go. Boom. Wing stretch and 3 toots is the normal process. So there we go. Oh, and someone's come around to see us. Just over here. At the tradesman's entrance. Hello, good morning. Been a busy day for you as well. All the best, Sydney. Pretty awesome. Yeah, that's it, MG. Thanks for the update. Yeah, we'll keep you guys updated with what happens. As long as they're getting looked after, that's the main thing. Hi. We get the look sometimes. Look at that. I can't get over the lipstick. I can't unsee lipstick once I see the beak. Yeah, thanks, Anna. We're all wishing for it as well. Good on you, Hides. Awesome. 4 months. Congratulations. Thank you. Great support for the channel and all the team on here. Yeah, they stole the decorations. It'll be interesting to see where they turn up. Yeah, big shopping day. Seed, cups, and more baubles. And I think, hello. And a few games for these guys, I think. Well, guys, we're going to wrap things up here. What a morning. Started at 8 o'clock. It's 10 now. You guys are absolutely awesome. Thanks for sharing the morning together. Big shout out to BC. Oh, we've got some snacks here. All right, the seeds might have gone, but we've got some lactose-free cheese for these guys. A little bit of a snack. Okay. They have worked hard today. Awesome, Hides, thank you. Awesome support for the channel, thanks. We're going to sneak down the shops today before it goes crazy, so big thanks there. Cheers, Mel. So guys, big shout out to everyone. Thank you so much. Appreciate you hanging on and coming back on. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Got a little friend here, never far away. Look, you can hear the cockies going crazy now. They're doing loop-to-loops at the moment. Thanks, Hides and Laurel, for extra support there in BC today, and big shout out Mel, MG. Look, whoosh. These guys are quick. Wow. Got time for a big clean up and then straight down the shops, sort a few things out. And guys, thanks for sticking with us today. It was awesome to being able to help an injured bird. So that was great. I'll give you guys updates on it. Thanks for being on and being on the chat. I really appreciate that. It's awesome how everyone looks after each other. I think we've picked up the best of the best here. So big thanks. It's going to be 28 degrees today, barbecue day today. That's the plan. And yeah, thanks Laurel, Mel, Raven, Hides, Rob, of course, BC, thank you. Everyone who's been on today, big shout out. Hope you enjoy the rest of the weekend and catch you on the next one, and stay passionate, guys. Yeah, cheers.